Good morning, friends. My name is Atul Galov and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my self-talk journey, and today is day 38. Okay, I am very grateful for myself that I am able to make this video till now, and I decided to make videos forever. There is no limit, there is no limitation. I will improve. I started this journey just because I wanted to improve my English communication skills, and I am working on it. And it's not all about learning English, it's all about growth. My first mindset is all about the growth. I want to be the better version of myself, and that's why I am working on it. It is not a language, it is a skill to build. And if I raise one skill, my other skills will follow, and it will align with my one strongest habit, and day by day that's how I will improve. And I choose this way, and you can also choose this way. This is really grateful for me. It is working like a journal to me. All right, so we will have talk more. So let's start our video with affirmation. I want to earn lot of money in my life as a profession. I want to be pharmacovigilance professional, and I want to travel all around the world. This is my dream. So look guys, this is my affirmation. I always do affirmation because I make clear goal in my mind, and I want to earn money not to be rich. I want to earn money because I want to be free. I want to be free, and for that, money is the first thing that I want to earn, because I always saw financial crisis in my family. I belong from middle class family, but I don't want to be middle class forever. I want to be rich, and I want to be free. Moreover, my plan is to be free. Okay, and I have learned one book about money, and the name is very famous. You can see The Rich Dad and Poor Dad, right? This book helps me to learn about money, what is assets and what is liabilities, how money work, how we often caught into the trap of emotions. Okay, I will going to share you only two ideas from this book. Is that first idea I loved a lot, and I will sharing you the story of my imagination, what I think. All right, so first idea is all about the assets and the liabilities. It is very important part where you are investing your money. Are you becoming consumer or you becoming investor? Okay, so you should choose wisely, because sometimes we invest money on a car which will not give you any of income in a future. But if you invest your money a little on a saving account, okay, if you don't have too much, you can start with small. Okay, saving account, if you invest your money in a house, and not for living, not for luxurious plan, it's for buy a house and give it to for rent, and then you, after some time, you will get from money, and from that, even a small, but you started getting money from that property, and day by day the price of land will increase. So that's how your assets will work. All right, so let's talk about my imaginary story. You should do work for money in starting. All right, and always we think that we are going to the job for money, but why don't we think, what if money will work for us? Okay, you always I always talk about my passion. My passion is drawing, and if I am doing drawing now, so it would not give me money. All right, So how do I follow my dream? How do I follow my passion? Always people say do a better job, for getting a better job, do the better studies. So yeah, I choose this way, that I first of all pursue pharmacy. And I did not have idea about anything at all, but I chose this subject because I had a bit of an interest in this field. And I think I had taken uh, great thing in my life, that I have choose pharmacy. Alright, so in pharmacy I had choose uh, goal to get like a pharmacovigilance. Once I get a job in pharmacovigilance, I will start earning money, and I will invest money to develop assets. And uh, once I started developing, okay, once I will start developing assets and money, and then I will do that thing, that money will bring me more money. And once money started giving me more money, then I the work will be just to manage that thing. All right, that thing, money will work for you and you will be free. Once money started earning for you, you can follow your passion. You will not go from home to office to get money, to earn money. You will go to the office because you love your work. And if you don't love your work, you can follow your passion. Okay, you can follow your passion and money will work for money. All right, you should manage money aside and you should follow your passion also. This is how you will be free in your life. So my plan is that I will work for money, to make money work for me. All right, and another, I will follow my passion is drawing. And I also love to make a video. I also love to advise to the people. I also love to be the teacher. I also love to be the mentor. I also love to be the communicator and the speaker, and that's why I am working on it. And this is the thing that I want in my life, and I want to travel all around the world. And first of all, to be free, I will make money to earn money for me, not me. All right, so this is how money will work. This is how money do work. And that thing I have never heard from my society. The thing that I got from this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and another book is The Psychology of Money. And there are so many books that I started reading with consistency, like Atomic Habit. I have Atomic Habit. This helps me to start making video with consistency. It provides me the idea about the consistency. I got idea about the money. And another tips of money is that don't listen to emotion, and don't listen emotionally of your mind about the money. Just think logically, always logically, and then you will get the idea. You will get the idea why poor people always be poor. Okay, I'm not the rich person, but I generated the strength to take a risk in a life, to be the wealthy person. All right, and to I want to be free. So to get freedom, I'm working on it. I'm learning. I'm English learner. I'm learning a lot of things, and I will be the better version of myself. So stay with me, guys. If you are watching this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn something, take one skill, pick one skill, and do work hard on it. Give your 100% on it, on that one skill, and your another things started following you. If you want money in your life, so please choose how money will work for you. Please don't go emotionally about money. Don't buy big car, buy a big house. Just buy the things that bring you more money. All right, so this is how life will work. And life do work. All right, my English is not that very well, but yeah, I will correct my all the errors one day, and day by day I am watching myself and improving a lot. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.